Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Tag Manager with GA4 for SaaS analytics step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google Tag Manager account. If you don't have an account yet, create one by visiting tagmanager.google.com. Once logged in, select the container where you want to set up Google Analytics for. If you haven't created a container, click on Create Container. Enter a name for your container and choose Web as the target platform. Click Create and accept the terms of service. Now, you need to add your GA4 measurement ID to Google Tag Manager. Head over to your Google Analytics account at analytics.google.com. In Google Analytics, select the property you want to connect with Tag Manager. Navigate to the admin section by clicking on the gear icon in the lower left. Under Property, click on Data Streams. Select your web data stream to view your measurement ID. Copy the measurement ID starting with G-. Return to Google Tag Manager and click on Tags in the left sidebar. Click on New to create a new tag. In the tag configuration, choose Google Analytics GA4 configuration. Paste your measurement ID into the corresponding field. Under Triggering, click to add a trigger. Select all pages to ensure tracking across your entire site. Click Save to finish setting up your configuration tag. Now, let's test to ensure the tag works correctly. Click on Preview in the top right corner of Google Tag Manager. Enter your website URL in the provided field and click Connect. This opens your website in a new tab with the Tag Assistant console. Navigate through your site and observe if the GA4 tag is firing correctly. If you see the GA4 tag firing, return to Google Tag Manager and click Submit. Add a version name and description for your tags. Click Publish to make your tag live on your website. To verify that data is being collected, return to Google Analytics. Check the Real-Time tab to see if user activity is registered. Congratulations, you have successfully set up Google Tag Manager with GA4 for your SaaS analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.